Okay guys, my brother's just sitting in the snow right now, and I'm just gonna see what I can do to him, okay? So, hey Austin! Stay right there for a second. Austin, stay right there! Get off the seesaw! Stop moving! Stop moving! Austin! Austin! Please. Stop. Austin? Austin! Why are you putting that over your face? Huh? Why are you putting it over your face? You need help getting up, little brother? Do you? You can pull up your mask now. No!
Wait, not funny. Stop.
Of course it's not funny, because I'm kicking you with snow. What the fuck is wrong with you? We're not rehearsing this. It's real life.